Videos generate 70% more engagement than the text content. However, making video content takes a lot of time and effort, right? Until now, makereels.ai help you to automatically create and publish reels, saving you 25 hours. Let me quickly show you how it works. So you need to simply collect from the top engaging categories, as you could see here, and select the language so you can reach the global audience, which the languages you don't even speak. I will enter the classic travel because I love traveling and I'm sure you do. In fact, and let's click generate. Let's see. Oh, wow. It took 3 seconds.
Fascinating travel facts.
Right. Let's check it out.
Did you know the Great Wall of China is visible from space?
Oh, damn. I didn't know that.
The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters
Wow.
taller during the summer due to thermal expansion.
So did you guys notice it took a few seconds to generate it? There is a video, sound, background, narration, everything. But what if I wanna change a little bit? I didn't like the background video or I didn't like the font. What do I do? Nada. Just click AI style. And it takes another couple of seconds. And there you go. If you notice the design, the text font has changed. Let me click it again. Wow, I like this one. So this is the power of Make Reels that you can just click. You don't even need to think about design and font. It automatically changes the videos and everything. Can I move the elements? Oh, absolutely. And can I add a sticker? Let's make it a little bit fun, right? So if you notice, there are already relevant stickers are loaded. And you know what? I like the pink plane. Let's check it out. Oh, that looks cool. And yeah, all good. You could also upload your own video. You may be asking, hey, can I upload my own video? Yes, you could totally upload your video. If I go here, these are the videos. All of them are free. Feel free to use them. But if you want to upload your own, you can just go here, your uploads, and click upload video. And here currently you just show you which one is used right now. So feel free, even photos you can upload. So if you have a product videos or any your own videos, you can upload. Feel free to see them. Here, these are the contents. You can also upload individual video for each slide. I don't use that many video. It takes a lot of times, but let it do it. But you can totally edit the text however you like. You can see that right now on the screen is doing it. I don't like the color. Let me just change it here again. So yeah, perfect, right? And then you can change anything you want and you can save the draft. You need to have a free account to save your draft. But sound, the voice, what if I tell you you can use the 85 voices, but you can also clone your own voice? Okay, it's too good to be true, right? Let's check it out. So first, we have 85 voices from all the accents from Australia, from the UK, Ireland, as you could see here. And you can also play from them here.
Once upon a time, in
And
a small village, there lived a young woman who
right,
loved to read about distant lands.
and whatever you select, you can just pick and then play it again. Now,
Fascinating travel facts. Did you know the Great Wall of China is visible from space?
so that was Arthur. I like his accent. I love UK accent. Let me take you here. Let's clone your voice. These are my voices. And can I do it again? So now let me quickly guide you how to record your own voice and use it in reels and automate reel creation. So you can generate 100 of reels even when you're sleeping. Simply just click on record another voice. You gotta click to record sample and read this text. A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This sentence contains every single letter of alphabet without repeating any characters. It's an example of a pangram. I simply stop it. I can record multiple sample is better, but let's try with the one sample and then click clone your voice. It's of course a lot of things happening in the background, so give it a few seconds, not more than 10 seconds, and it's gonna take your voice, pass it to the AI. Oh, it's ready. Let's hear it out. This is a preview of English voice. Hope you like it. Once upon a time, there was a king who had three beautiful daughters. Oh my gosh, I'm I'm scared. Like this is perfect. Okay, let's use it in our reel. So now you've noticed it's added at the bottom. I just quickly select it, and now let's hear it out. And you tell me if it sounds like me or not. Did you know the Great Wall of China is visible from space? Wow. Oh my. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeter taller during the summer due to thermal expansion. So did you notice like it's just one sample of 7 seconds? If I add 3 4 samples, it's gonna be 100% accuracy because we are using 11 Labs engine, which is one of the best in the world. So please check it out and record your voice, and then you can use automations to generate reels while you're sleeping. Okay, now quickly let me take you to the background music. Maybe you don't like to use the background music. You can just turn it off, or you can actually use our top industry award winning background music. We have all of them are, don't worry about them, all of them are loyalty free. You don't need to pay. It's come and it's free, and you can use them. If you can also change the volume of the background music, make it medium high, keep it low. This is the best, so people can hear you out as well. The last and not the least is you can actually change the logo here. Anything you want to add, let's say Travel Inc, and you can update it. If you notice gonna be changed, you can use templates. These are the same templates that you're clicking here, but you can also change it from here. These are for advanced users. Don't go here if you don't know what you're doing, but you can, the idea is you can change anything you want. But if you just want to make your life easier, just click here, and it's going to be changing automatically in the background, right? So once you're ready, you can simply download it. You can click here, and it's gonna check the make reels that is not a like a hateful or other type of content. And then after that, it's gonna generate the video. It's gonna stitch all of it for you, and it's gonna download it in your browser. The best would be to install the app so you can use it on the mobile. But if you want to use it on desktop, you can generate it. You can also share directly on the social media from here if you like. So you have both the options. Thank you for listening. And in the next video, I will be showing how to use automations to fully automate and publish reels. Ciao, see you there.